And there's a lady who's going to be joining him, जिनकी आवाज से हमें हमेशा प्यार होता आया है और होता रहेगा. Well, we have none other than these two singers with us, who we are extremely glad because they are singing the title track. Please put your hands together for Mohit Chauhan and Neeti Mohan. Woo! I think the applause should be a little louder, all our guests. A little louder for both of them as they join us. A very good evening. वैसे इनसे एक बहुत ही क्लीशे सवाल से शुरू करते हैं. मोहित, एक बहुत ही क्लीशे सवाल है और ये काफी सारे फिल्मों में भी पूछा जाता है. प्यार क्या है? What is love?
सबसे पहले तो hello everyone over here. It's thank you for coming and great being part of the series that's coming up. और सवाल क्या था? ये आशिकी क्या होती है?
प्यार क्या है? आशिकी क्या है?
Okay. As far as I'm concerned, it means freedom. Freedom to sort of when you're with somebody, freedom to express yourself, be yourself, and feel happy about it. That's love for me.
वैसे मोहित, आप अगर हमारे देश से किसी को भी ये सवाल पूछेंगे तो शायद वो यही कहेंगे प्यार है कोई भी गाने को सुनने का, और वो अगर मोहित और नीति ने गाया हो, आई थिंक दैट इज लव फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. वी हैव द टाइटल ट्रैक दैट सॉन्ग. अगर आप कुछ सुना दें हम सबको यहाँ पर, आई एम श्योर दैट हम लाइव तो शायद ही आपको सुन पाएंगे. वी आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी सिंग द वीडियो इन अ बिट, बट इफ यू कुड जस्ट सिंग अस अ लिटिल समथिंग ऑफ द सॉन्ग.
बाबरी ये आशिकी गुस्ताखी ये आशिकी बेबाकसी ये आशिकी गुस्त बेखौफसी ये आशिकी.
एक बार हो जाए तालियां.
That's for आशिकी.
वैसे दीदी, we'd like to ask you the same question. What do you think is love and what do you have to say about this? Because ये आशिकी the title track, फिलहाल हमारे देश में जो भी ये गाना सुनता है, they always think that this song actually makes them believe in love a little more, and this show celebrates love. So please could you tell us something about this?
Well, a very good evening to all of you. It's such a pleasure to be here today, and I think according to me, love is something that you can't put in words. There are so many mixed emotions. Sometimes there are butterflies in your stomach, sometimes it makes you go numb, sometimes it makes you go crazy, sometimes it makes you cry, sometimes it makes you more intense than what you were yesterday. So it's something that we all can't live without, and we always want to be in love. And I think that's the reason both of us have sung Ye Hai Aashiki title track, and we believe in love, and I think everybody here believes in love.
And one is love and one is being in love with the idea of love. That's also there. And that's what, even if you're alone, you can be in love with life, with things around you, and just be in love with life.
Fantastic. वैसे अगर हम आज सब यहाँ पर हैं तो एक मौके को हाथ से बिल्कुल नहीं जाने दे सकते. That is, we have Neeti here. So we want her to sing the track for us. So, लेकिन let's see if the media is okay with this. I really want this to happen. Members of the media, guests, yes, do we want this to happen? That's the energy. Come on, ladies. Can we put our hands together for Neeti? And let's request her to please sing this song. This has not happened before. हमने उन दोनों को ये गाना गाते हुए सुना है, लेकिन सिर्फ नीति को. Let's have this.
Well, before we start the song, I really want to congratulate Abhishek. You've done a fantastic job. He has created this song, ladies and gentlemen. And Abhiruchi, I don't know if she's here. Please come here. We just want to thank you for this beautiful song. The entire nation is going crazy about the song. They must know who is the man behind this song. He is the one who got us on this song and made us sing. And I think it's already such a big hit. So thank you so much. We're really, really
Thanks to
happy.
you guys for singing the song and your beautiful voices.
Thanks so much, Abhishek.
Thank you.
So we have Mr. Abhishek Arora. We're going to request him join us back once Neeti sings the song. And I think we are extremely excited, so it's over to her.
You know, I don't want Mohit to leave. I think, can both of us sing, please?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll join
awesome.
in. मैं join
Just
करूँगा
keep my
बीच में.
voice there.
It only gets better then.
All right.
No, 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 no.